Good morning to one and all. Today I am going to explain about packages. So first these are the contents what I am explaining on that. Introduction, then system package, types of packages, and user defined packages, what's belonging to the user defined packages, what are the advantages of packages. So first I'll go for the what is the packages introduction. In Java, programmers can create several classes and interfaces. After creating these classes and interfaces, it is better they are divided into some groups depending on their relationships. The classes and interfaces which handle similar or same task are put into the same directory or folder, which is known as the package. Means group of classes into a one single location or single folder. It is called as the packages. So packages acts as container for classes, means it is a luggage bag. It's belongs to multiple things. It's having multiple things into the luggage bag. So in this luggage bag is called as the package. So here this is the example of the package. A package represents a directory that contain related group of classes and interfaces. So, what are the types of packages? Here, two types of Java packages are packages. One is the system package or Java API, and second one is the user defined packages. In system packages means there are built-in methods. It's a pre-defined methods. Students, first you can observe these are the built-in methods, built-in types. So Java also provides built-in packages. Means uh, uh, when we want to create the packages related to predefined methods, just simply we are accessing the these packages only. Related to that packages, we can implement the program. Java also provide built-in packages which contain lots of classes and interfaces. These classes inside the packages are already defined and we can use them by importing relevant packages in our program. So Java has an extensive library of packages. In a programmer need not think about logic for during any task. For everything they are the method available in Java, and that method can be used by the programmer without developing the logic on his own. This makes a programming easily. What are the API packages? Means what are the system packages? The system packages are first java.lang. When you are calling the system packages supported by using or creating or calling the methods java dot, we are preparing the dot lang. So language support classes, these classes are compiler itself, user and user. Therefore they are automatically imported. They include classes and primitive types, strings, maths functions, threads, exceptions, etc. So what are the consisting of util packages? Java.util. Here it's consisting of vector, hash tables, random numbers, dates, etc. When you are preparing the programs is in Java programs using the date methods, definitely we can import java.util, and is nothing but a hash include stdio dot head. Same like that we are importing the package dot here java.util dot star, like that I'll explain in detail in coming class. And java.io, input output functions. So here input output supporting classes, they provide facilities for the input and output of data. Java.awt, abstract window toolkits, where we are using the windows buttons, menus, and list of items, like that. When you are preparing the one application, definitely should import the java.awt. And java.net, here when you are using the networking programs related communicating of the programs, definitely we should import the java.lang. And java.applets means when you are creating the web related pages, it automatically invokes the java.applet. So it's creating the implementing applets. So user defined functions means we can prepare it by us or user. So the users of the Java language, the users of Java can also create their own packages. They are called user defined packages. We are creating ourselves only, cannot import any predefined functions into this method. So here user defined packages can also be imported into other classes and used exactly in the same way as the built-in packages. Creating user defined packages. What is the syntax of creating ourselves? Syntax: package, package name, and public, it is the access specifier, public class, class name, and followed by the body of the structure. Here must be declared the name of the package using the package. Package is a keyword followed by the package name. This must be first statement in Java source file because of we are preparing the package name. Before creating the package, first should declare the package name. Can prepare one folder, that is the creating of the package. Here how to create the package is from C colon we can create md package name and cd package name, that is creating of the package. And second way we can create we can create folder also. So one folder is called as the package also here. Example: package mypack already we can create by ourselves, that is the related to one change directory, or we can followed by the direct folder we are creating. So in the package we can declare say like this: package mypack and public class, class name, and body of the statements. In the example, my package is the name of the package. The class 1 is now considered as a part of this package. So this listing would be saved as a file called class1.java. And here in this class 1 definitely should save directory named package only. Within that package we can save, cannot directly save, it will be saved into the source file. So here we are compiling of the program into from that directory. So the class files must be located in the directory that has the same name as the package. This directory should be subdirectory of the classes. So here steps for creating a package. How to create my package? So create a user defined package. The following steps should be involved here. First, declare the package name, beginning a file using syntax package name. And the second one is define the class that is to be put into the package and declare it public. The student must remember definitely should need the access specifier here public, because of we are preparing the programs in different platforms but creating the objects also some other different platform. So these class members should inherit the entire programs into the object creations. So here definitely should declare the public. So next one, creating a subdirectory and the directory name, and compile the files and dot class file and subdirectories. So we can calling the different packages. First to create the first package and second package, we can names given, you can calling the function with the support of dot. Interfaces we are calling the interface names separated by comma, but here packages we are calling the separate packages separated by dot. The approach allows to us group related classes into a package and their group related packages into a large package. So at a time we are calling the two different packages on here. So Java package file can have more than one class definition. Only one of the class may be declared as a public. That class name with .java extension is the source file name. When a source file name with more than one class definition is compiled, we are preparing the class names. So next class I am going to explain about how to accessing a package.